Today we study about the coral reef ecosystem. A coral reef is an underwater ecosystem characterized by reef-building corals. Reefs are formed of colonies of coral polyps held together by calcium carbonates. Most coral reefs are built from stony corals whose polyps cluster in groups. Coral belongs to the class Anthozoa in the animal phylum Cnidaria, which includes sea anemones and jellyfish. Unlike sea anemones, coral secrete hard carbonate exoskeletons that support and protect the corals. Most reefs grow best in warm, shallow, clear, sunny and agitated waters. Coral reefs first appeared 485 million years ago at the dawn of the early Ordovician, displacing the microbial and sponge reefs of the Cambrian. Sometimes coral reefs are called rainforest of the sea. Shallow corals reflect from some of the Earth's most diverse ecosystems. They occupy less than 0.1% of the world's ocean area, about half the area of France, yet they provide a home for at least 25% of all marine species. Then the formation of coral reefs. Most coral reefs were formed after the last glacial period when melting ice caused sea level to rise and flood continental shelves. Most coral reefs are less than 10,000 years old. As communities established themselves, the reefs grew upward, facing rising sea levels. Reefs that rose slowly could become drowned without sufficient light. Coral reefs are found in the deep sea away from the continental shelves around oceanic islands and atolls. The majority of these islands are volcanic in origin. Others have tectonic origins where plate movements lifted the deep ocean floor. Then the abiotic factors of coral reef: oxygen, water, carbon dioxide, sand, rocks, shells, temperature, light, hard substances and waves are the abiotic components of coral reef ecosystem. Then the biotic components, they are sea grasses, algae like turf algae, coralline algae, macroalgae, and some mangrove plants. They are the biotic autotrophs. While the animal species they are include fish, mollusks, worms, crustaceans, echinoderms, sponges, tunicates, and other cnidarians. And also seabirds, sea snakes, monitors, lizards, marine crocodiles, sea turtles, eels, sharks, dolphins, sea cucumber, starfish, lobster. These are the fauna of the coral reef ecosystem. Then the importance of coral reef. It provides an important ecosystem for the life underwater, protects coastal areas, provides crucial source of income for millions of people. Thousands of species can be found living on the reef. Extracts from animals and plants living on reef have been used to develop treatment for asthma, arthritis, cancer, and heart diseases. Coral reefs act as a barrier by protecting from threats such as tsunami, and coral reef also deliver ecosystem services for tourism, fisheries, and shoreline protections. The annual global economic value of coral reef is estimated between $30 to 375 billions. Coral reefs are fragile partly because they are sensitive to water conditions. They are under threat from excess nutrients, rising temperature, oceanic acidification, overfishing, sunscreen use, and harmful land use practices, including runoff and ships from injecting wells and cesspools. This is all about the coral reef ecosystem. Thank you.